guys, it's Vijaya, and in today's video we are going there. I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free and dairy-free carrot cake. Now I know a lot of us have intolerances these days, things that we can't eat, things that we're trying to avoid. And the worst thing is like going to a party and not being able to partake in dessert. And so hopefully this cake will bring everybody together and it won't even taste like there's gluten or dairy missing. But before we get started, don't forget to follow me on my social media channels, and also if you love my videos, subscribe and click that notification button so that you get a notification every time I post a video. Let's get started, let's bake some cake. I'm going to start by mixing together my eggs with my sugars. I have 4 large eggs in my bowl, and now I'm going to add 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar, and we're going to whisk it up until it's smooth. And sugar mixture looks super light and fluffy, and that's because we whisked a little bit of air into it. And now I'm going to turn this back on and stream in a little bit of canola oil as well as some vanilla for extra flavor. My egg mixture looks perfect, so I streamed in a little bit of oil, well, a lot of oil, but keep in mind it's a huge cake and a lot of people are going to eat it, so it's totally fine. And then it just made them super light and fluffy, which is going to lend for a very moist cake. Now on to the dry ingredients. I have a little bit of gluten-free flour here. Feel free to use your favorite brand. And to that, I'm going to add some baking soda, some baking powder, a little bit of salt because that brings out the sweetness in desserts, as well as a bit of cinnamon. And now I'm going to whisk all the dry ingredients together until they're well combined. And now the dry ingredients are going to meet the wet, so I'm just going to turn this on and then gently tap my dry ingredients in until it's just incorporated. And because it's a carrot cake, we need a ton of carrots. I have some carrots that are on steroids, and I need 4 cups. So you guys ready to grate with me? We're gonna do this, let's do this. Also, I didn't peel the carrots because we're grating them anyways, and like, you're not gonna really taste the peel or anything like that. And more fiber, you guys, so keep the peel on. Okay, let's see. Woohoo! We've got our first cup. 3 more to go. It's the workout preceding the carrot cake eating. Alright, so I have my carrots, I have my batter, and now the two have to meet. So, oh my gosh, that looks so yummy. I could probably just eat the batter as it is, but I know better because once I bake it up, it's going to be even more delicious. Now let's fold in those carrots. Okay, so the reason why I'm taking the bowl off is because I want to gently fold the carrots in by hand. That way the mixture is not over mixed and we'll have a super tender cake. That's a ton of carrots. My batter is ready, and now I'm just going to grease and line my pan with a little bit of dairy-free margarine and parchment paper. And now it's ready to head for the oven. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees and I'm going to pop it in for 55 minutes. My favorite carrot cakes always have a delicious cream cheese frosting on top, and I'm going to make mine with some dairy-free cream cheese, and you can use your favorite brand, a little dairy-free margarine, a little bit of powdered sugar, some vanilla, and we're just going to whisk this together until it's nice and smooth. And just like that, the frosting is done, and look at it. Oh my gosh, looks so good. I can't help but give it a taste. Here we go. Mmm. It's so cream cheesy. You don't even know that there's no cream cheese in it. So good. Let's frost that cake. My cake is done. I pulled it out of the oven, then completely let it cool to room temperature. That's super important, otherwise your frosting is going to melt. And this is what it looks like. So amazing, right you guys? And now I'm gonna flip it over and ice it. So, ooh, I'm gonna be careful. Ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cross your fingers for me, you guys. Ready? 3, 2. Oh my gosh. Do you see how it just peeled away? That's what you get when you line and grease your pans with parchment paper and margarine. Super spongy. Now it's time for cake to meat frosting. And I personally love a high frosting to cake ratio, so we're gonna do it up. Boom, yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, here it goes. I'm gonna say it. This is going to be one of the best cakes you will ever make, whether it has gluten or dairy in it or not. The cake is unbelievably moist, and that's because we added a ton of carrots to it, as well that cream cheese frosting over the top. You would never know that there's no dairy in it. It's such a perfect match. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to give me a big old thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a comment, question, concern, recommendation, suggestion, whatever, leave it in the comments below. Until my next video, I will see you later. Bye.